Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of the ZEROGROUND Obato. And these are the two versions of this. This is the Extreme and the Supreme. And essentially this is for a 10 keyless keyboard and for a normal one. So you can choose respectively the one that fits at your gaming setup. They both come at a really aggressive price. So compared to other gaming palm rests, these must be the ones that you should check first. Now here we have the Extreme version of ZEROGROUND gaming palm rest Obato. Now ZEROGROUND is not a familiar brand to me, but if their products are as good as their package, I guess you should check them out. I should mention that the boxes are not really hefty, so this might be really easy to lift from your desk. We should check them out closely once we have opened the box. But again, the weight is not that of a foamy palm rest, so I am expecting a better build quality than anything similar at this price range. You should check the ZEROGROUND website for more information. So let's open this box and check the product itself. Now this comes packaged and it seems that we don't have anything else in the box, so this is what we get. Now I'm really happy that I can see some rubber pads on the bottom, and this is really soft, so let's open it up and check it closely. Okay, now this is really sleek. I really like the rubber pad and the M.A.D plastic here. This seems really well built, and on the top of it the cushion is really nice with this engraved logo here. It has a really soft feel when you're typing, so I guess this is really nice for your wrists. Now my only gripe seems that this is somewhat of a memory foam that you can see here. It leaves an indent when you are pressing. It here is not that intense, but it is on the edges, and overall I feel that this is not a material that will last. But again, this is a cushion type and it is not a full metal or a plastic, so I guess for its category it's really nice. Now that said, it's time to check the other one, the Supreme model. This seems to have the same packaging and I'm expecting the same product, but we should check if there is any difference from the previous model, the Extreme. Now this seems to be 43 centimeters of length, and compared with the Extreme we can see here we have 358 millimeters compared to this 435 millimeters of length, and they are of the same width, so the one is for a 10 keyless and the other one is for a full typical keyboard. Overall no other difference is mentioned here, so let's open the box and check closely the Supreme model and check if there is anything different from the previous one. Now price wise the Supreme is a little bit more expensive, but only by a little. Again, this is not a really expensive product and they are both actually budget oriented, so we should judge them given their price. Again, there is nothing in the box. You can see here it's the same. We have the same cushion type, the same velour finish, and my only fear is that the cushions might not last, and the rubberized feet, the M.A.D plastic, it's essentially the same with the same logo. The bulges here are less pronounced, and again this feels really comfortable. It is easily moved, but I guess the material might not survive the long sessions of gaming and sweat and the wear of time. Now given their price and their build quality, I can easily recommend this. They are flawed, but they are really perfect for what they are targeted for. A low-cost, replaceable palm rest. So this was the unboxing of the ZEROGROUND Obato Supreme and Extreme. Leave us a like, feel free to subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching.